How to remove the background with fur or hair in Adobe Photoshop. Let's get into it. With your image open, come down to the Layers panel and select the Padlock tool. Then come up to Select and choose Select and Mask. Once this window is open, come up to the View mode and change this to On Black. Then we can come over and select the Select Subject button. Next, choose Refine Hair. This will work on both hair and fur. With that done, we then need to come down to the opacity and bring this down ever so slightly so we can just about see the original image still. Next, come down to Refine mode and select Object Aware, change the radius to around 9 pixels and select Smart Radius. Next, select the Refine Edge Brush tool, and then you can change the size of this brush to suit your own project. I'm going to stick with a small brush. You can also use your bracket keys to increase or decrease the size of your brush. Next, start painting around the outline of your subject. Doing this is going to make sure that all of these little wispy bits are maintained within our image. Next, come into View again and select Overlay. This is going to highlight some of the slightly dark edges around our selection here. If we scroll down, we can enable Decontaminate Colors, and this is going to almost soften them a little bit. With your slider starting at 0, I recommend slowly increasing this to suit your own image. Everybody's images are going to be different. I normally set it at around 80% for mine. With that complete, we can make sure that we're outputting to a new layer with Layer Mask and then choose OK. So here is our original, and here is our cut out dog. And that's all there is to it.